Hello friends. So in this video we are going to study what is correspondent bank, what is Nostro-Vostro account, what is Loro account and what is mirror account. So we'll see first what is correspondent bank. So correspondent bank in one country that is authorized to provide services for another country or financial institution in a foreign country. I'll take one example here. Let us suppose that SBI in India. Okay, here's the SBI and here is American Bank. Okay, so here is American Bank. SBI want to expand some business in America. So what they will do? They will approach one bank in America, those who can provide the financial services. Because why SBI will approach? SBI can also open one branch. So what is the reason? Because SBI can open the branch, but opening a branch will have lot of investment and business is not of that quantum. That means business is not that much amount. So there will be loss to SBI. So what SBI will do? SBI will approach the American bank. Okay, I have some sort of business. I have small private businesses there. So please do my transactions and whatever transactions there you carry out. But for that purpose, they will carry out one agreement. Okay, and for that agreement, American bank will charge some commission. Okay, and at the same time, in mutual agreement, American bank will also appoint SBI as a correspondent bank. But that means both the banks, they'll be doing the business of each other and they will call as a correspondent bank. That means for SBI, American bank in some, let's say one city is New York City. So for SBI, American bank in New York City will be called as a correspondent bank. Similarly, for the American bank, SBI in, let us suppose that New Delhi will call as a correspondent bank. And whatever business they are carrying out for each other, they will charge for the commission. And what type of business will be carried out? You can say most common services are currency exchange, okay, handling business transactions, okay, trade documentation and money transfer. Okay, suppose that some businessmen are there in America and they want to transfer some money, some relative in India. So they will go to American bank, they will deposit there and in turn American bank will transfer that money to SBI. So in this way, the correspondent bank, they are paying their role respectively. But question comes, how correspondent bank will work? So for that purpose, they have to open one called Nostro account. Okay, I have taken my just example here. Once again, I'll take here SBI. Let's say SBI is in India and one bank in USA. USA is there, that is called in America. Okay, so Nostro account is nothing but account of means one bank of India if they are opening account in USA in foreign currency. Okay, I'll repeat once again here. Account of SBI opened in America in foreign currency. So that is called Nostro account in books of SBI. That means SBI will call my Nostro account is in USA. But that will be maintained in dollar because the dollar of USA, that means dollar is the currency of USA. I'll repeat once again here. When SBI open one account in one bank of America in dollar, means in that currency, so SBI will call, because SBI is opened, so SBI will call my Nostro account is in USA. I think now point is clear. But one point you have to keep in mind, that account will be open in the currency of that country where account has been opened. Okay, now moving ahead, opposite to this, we'll say what is the Vostro account. So Vostro account is just opposite to the Nostro account. Okay, when SBI has opened one account in USA, So SBI is calling, okay, my Nostro account is in USA. But what USA will call? USA call, okay, your Vostro account is in my bank. My Vostro account. That means when SBI will call my Nostro account means your account. Okay, your account with us. That means USA means American bank will call, okay, your account is with us. Means whatever Nostro account has been opened by SBI, SBI will call as a Nostro, but USA bank will call, okay, your account. That is called Vostro account. I think now it's clear. So I'll repeat once again here. Nostro and Vostro, they are opposite to each other. Means our account with you. When SBI say my account with you, it is become Nostro. But when USA say your account with us, means when SBI has opened, then what USA will call? Means USA bank will call. They will call, okay, your account with us. That is called Vostro account. Okay. And both these account will be in the currency of that country where the account has been opened. Okay. Now moving ahead, Loro account. So Loro account is a third party. Third party means, I just take two examples here. Let us suppose that Indian Overseas Bank. Okay. Indian Overseas Bank in England. Okay. England. Even though name is Indian Overseas, don't worry. England. And Standard Chartered Bank in America. Okay. And Canara Bank at India. Okay. India. Now, Indian Overseas Bank in England is having one account in Standard Chartered Bank. No problem. So they will call, okay, my Nostro account with you. Standard Chartered will call, okay, your Vostro account with us. Then what Canara Bank will call? Canara Bank will call Loro account. Means Canara Bank is not having any account, but for the two banks who are having their account with each other, this bank will call Loro account. Okay. So Loro account means what we commonly call their account with them. Their account with them. Bank of America, Standard Chartered Bank, and Indian Overseas Bank. And if they are having their Vostro Nostro account, either Vostro or Nostro, no problem. Then Canara Bank will call it is a Loro account. Means third party. Means two banks are having each other bank Vostro Nostro. Then Canara Bank will call it is a Loro account. Now I think it's very, very clear. Now moving ahead, mirror account. So mirror account is the reflection of Nostro account in the books of the principal bank. Now, which is the principal bank? Principal bank means the bank which has opened account. Okay, we have taken example here, principal bank. Okay, so in the previous example, SBI was called. When I took the first example, because SBI has opened, okay, its account in America in US dollar, that is called principal account, principal bank. Okay, now that principal bank, how they will come to know what is the credit balance, what is the debit balance is my Nostro account? They will not come to know because that account is maintained in USA and USA is far away. So for that purpose, they will maintain one mirror account in their books. Okay, so this account is maintained for the purpose of reconciliation only, because they will not show what is entry is going happening. So to day-to-day basis, they want to see what is my credit balance at the day end, what is my debit balance at the day end, if it is possible. Then for that purpose, they will maintain one mirror account of the Nostro account. And this account will be maintained in US dollar as well as in Indian currency. Okay, so that means Indian currency means rupees. So because this Nostro account was opened in US dollar, so that US dollar will also adopted, and at the same time Indian currency, because they have to convert, because all the business in India will be carried out in Indian currency. Okay, so this is the mirror account. What is the benefit of the mirror account? Because with the help of mirror account, the principal bank will come to know what is my balance in the Nostro account. Okay. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind that Nostro account is always maintained in foreign currency, where the location of bank is there, where the account is opened. Okay. I'll take one more example here. Suppose that American bank is opening one Nostro account. Nostro account in India. American bank is opening one Nostro account in India. Then what will happen? They will maintain their Nostro account in Indian rupee because account has been opened in India. So we have learned here Nostro account, Vostro account, Loro account, and mirror account. So thank you very much. I think this point was clear because Nostro, Vostro, Loro, mirror account will be using in this BFM chapter. So thank you very much. Stay tuned with me and please subscribe my channel